Money matters. It's time to take control of your finances. Smart money tactics can change your life. You can achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. A budget is your financial plan. It tracks income and expenses. Create a simple budget that works for you. Use budgeting apps or a notebook. Know where your money goes each month. Start by listing all your income sources. Then write down all your expenses. Be sure to include everything. Categorize your expenses for a clearer view. Find areas where you can cut back. Adjust your budget as needed. Life changes and your budget should too. Review your budget regularly. Make adjustments to stay on track. Saving is crucial for financial security. Start small and save consistently. Aim to save a percentage of your income. Even small amounts add up over time. Build an emergency fund first. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund covers unexpected events. It prevents going into debt when emergencies happen. Set financial goals for saving. It could be a down payment, vacation, or retirement. Having specific goals motivates you to save more. Visualize achieving your goals. Impulse buys can derail your budget. Plan your purchases in advance. Create shopping lists and stick to them. Avoid browsing stores without a purpose. Before buying, ask yourself if you need it. Wait 24 hours before making big purchases. This helps avoid buyer's remorse. Sleep on it and see if you still want it. Find alternatives to spending. Enjoy free activities like hiking. Enjoy free activities like reading. Spend time with loved ones instead of shopping. Explore affordable entertainment options. Section 5. The debt trap. Avoid it and break free. Debt can be a heavy burden, but with the right strategies you can break free and regain control of your financial future. Debt can trap you financially, causing stress and limiting your options. It can feel overwhelming, but remember, there are steps you can take to manage and eventually eliminate it. Avoid unnecessary debt like credit cards. Credit cards can be convenient, but they often come with high interest rates that can quickly add up. Consider using cash or debit cards for everyday purchases to avoid accumulating more debt. Pay your bills on time to avoid late fees. Setting up automatic payments can help ensure you never miss a due date. Late fees can add up and make it even harder to get out of debt, so staying on top of your payments is crucial. Explore debt consolidation options if needed. Debt consolidation can simplify your payments by combining multiple debts into one. This can make it easier to manage and may even lower your interest rate, saving you money in the long run. If you have debt, create a plan to pay it off. A clear, structured plan can help you stay focused and motivated. Start by listing all your debts, then determine how much you can realistically pay each month. Start with the highest interest debt first. High interest debts cost you more over time, so paying them off first can save you money. This strategy, known as the avalanche method, can help you reduce the total amount of interest you pay. This saves you money on interest payments. Consider the snowball method. This involves paying off your smallest debts first to build momentum. As you pay off each debt, you gain confidence and motivation to tackle the next one. Pay off the smallest debts first for motivation. Seeing progress can be incredibly motivating. Each small victory brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Seek professional advice if needed. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and help you create a personalized plan to manage your debt. They can offer strategies that you might not have considered. A financial advisor can help you create a debt management plan. This plan can include budgeting, debt consolidation, and other strategies tailored to your specific situation. They can provide personalized strategies. These strategies are designed to fit your unique financial situation, helping you manage your debt more effectively and work towards financial stability. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges, and there are resources and support systems available to help you. Whether it's a support group, financial advisor, or online resources, don't hesitate to seek help. Section 6. Investing Basics. Growing your money for the future. Investing is key to building long-term wealth. Start investing as early as possible. Even small investments grow over time. Explore different investment options. Consider low-cost index funds for beginners. They offer diversification and potential growth. Learn about different asset classes like stocks and bonds. Understand your risk tolerance before investing. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes. This reduces your overall risk. Section 7. Little changes, big impact, simple ways to save daily. In this chapter, we will explore practical and straightforward methods to help you save money on a daily basis. These tips are easy to implement and can make a significant difference in your financial health over time. Small changes in your daily life can save you money. For instance, instead of buying bottled water, invest in a reusable water bottle. This not only saves money but also helps the environment. Similarly, consider using public transportation or carpooling to reduce fuel costs. Cut back on unnecessary expenses like subscriptions. Review all your monthly subscriptions and cancel those you rarely use. Services like streaming platforms, magazines, and gym memberships can add up quickly. Instead, look for free or cheaper alternatives. Negotiate better rates for services like internet and insurance. Call your service providers and ask for discounts or better plans. Often companies have promotions or discounts that they don't advertise. Comparing different providers can also help you find the best deal. Cook more meals at home instead of eating out. Preparing your meals at home is not only healthier but also more cost-effective. Plan your meals for the week, make a shopping list, and stick to it. This reduces the temptation to eat out or order takeout. Pack your lunch for work or school. Bringing your own lunch can save you a significant amount of money over time. Plus, you have control over the ingredients and portion sizes, making it a healthier option. Brew your coffee instead of buying it daily. The cost of buying coffee from a cafe every day can add up quickly. Invest in a good coffee maker and make your coffee at home. You can experiment with different flavors and brewing methods to find what you like best. These small changes add up over time. By making these adjustments, you can save a considerable amount of money each month. Track your savings and set financial goals to stay motivated. Use apps or spreadsheets to monitor your progress. Save energy at home to lower your utility bills. Simple actions like adjusting your thermostat, using energy-efficient light bulbs, and sealing windows and doors can reduce your energy consumption. This not only saves money, but also benefits the environment. Turn off lights when you leave a room. It may seem like a small action, but turning off lights when they are not needed can significantly reduce your electricity bill. Encourage everyone in your household to do the same. Unplug electronics when not in use. Consider energy-efficient appliances. Many electronics consume power even when they're turned off. Unplugging them can save energy. When it's time to replace appliances, look for energy-efficient models. They might have a higher upfront cost, but will save you money in the long run. Section 8. Mastering your finances. A journey to financial freedom. This section is dedicated to helping you understand the steps and strategies needed to take control of your financial life. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing plan, this journey is essential for achieving long-term financial stability and success. Mastering your finances is a journey, not a destination. Just like any journey, it requires careful planning, a clear map, and the willingness to adapt to changes along the way. Think of your financial goals as the milestones you aim to reach, and each step you take brings you closer to those goals. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. Creating a budget is one of the first steps. By tracking your income and expenses, you can identify areas where you can save and invest more effectively. Setting up a savings plan is crucial, as it ensures you have a safety net for unexpected expenses and future investments. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every small victory, whether it's paying off a debt or reaching a savings goal, is a step towards financial freedom. These moments of celebration keep you motivated and remind you of the progress you've made. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Financial advisors can provide valuable insights and strategies tailored to your specific situation. Attending financial planning seminars can also offer new perspectives and tips from experts in the field. Educate yourself about personal finance, read books, listen to podcasts, and attend workshops. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your money. Knowledge is a powerful tool that can help you navigate the complexities of personal finance. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing your money. Financial literacy workshops and books can provide you with the skills and understanding needed to manage your finances effectively. Take notes, highlight important sections, and apply what you learn to your own financial situation. Take control of your financial future. Utilize online banking apps to monitor your accounts and transactions. Design a financial strategy that aligns with your goals and adjust it as needed. Being proactive and staying informed will help you stay on track. Remember, financial freedom is achievable. It may seem daunting at times, but with the right mindset and tools, you can reach your financial goals. Celebrate your achievements and use them as motivation to keep pushing forward. By implementing smart money tactics, you can achieve your financial goals. Compare different financial plans, use tools and charts to track your progress, and make adjustments as needed. Smart money management is about making informed decisions and staying committed to your plan. It's time to take charge and live a financially secure life. Discuss your financial future with your family, set collective goals, and work together to achieve them. Financial security is not just about individual success, but also about creating a stable and prosperous future for your loved ones. Section 9. Start today, your path to financial success. Start implementing these tactics today. Don't wait for the perfect time. Small steps lead to big results over time. Take action and watch your financial situation improve. You've got this. Believe in yourself and your ability to manage your money wisely. With dedication and commitment, you can achieve financial success. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Take that step today and start your path to financial freedom.